It's me again. We have another huge haul from our favorite little yellow app. This is a little bit different than all my previous videos. I don't really do jewelry that much, but I got a little crazy and got some jewelry pieces for y'all and one sweet little purse for the end of summer. Let's jump in. This one did not come with a box, came with like a meh bag. That's okay, because she's cute and we love her and she's perfect for end of summer. Everything takes about a month to come in, so please be patient. And it is so worth it. But look at how cute. This color is gorgeous. It's coming out more blue in the camera, but it's like a sea foamy teal, lovely color. Anyways, quality on this one is so good. The inside is just open with the little zipper, magnetic clasp to keep it closed, and then a little chain for like your wallet, your keys, whatever. The gold on this is really good. The details are amazing on this with the, like crocodile skin we love. And then these are covered up to keep them from getting messed up, which I love. Love the details. So good. And then I just realized this because I was carrying it this week. I like to test out as many products as I can, so I make sure I give y'all the best quality of my reviews. So carried her around, did not know this until just before I started this video, but dumb me has another little pocket right here, which I would have loved because I had a bunch of paperwork in here and I could have just slid it all in there. I love the like burgundy maroon in here. I never would have thought I loved those two colors together, but amazing quality on this one. No box, not great dust bag, but the product itself is amazing. Love it, 10 out of 10. But let's get started with our jewelry haul. I saw this watch stack of all these different bracelets and a Rolex, and I had to have it. So let's start with the Rolex. Unfortunately, I did not get a box with this one. There was an option to pay extra for a box, but I'm gonna be wearing this bad boy, so it really doesn't matter. I don't really need the box, but if you want the box, you can always choose that option to add on to it. The quality on this one, once again, is amazing. It has the day of the week, the date, the diamond on the inside, diamonds on the outside. I did remove all of the links because I have a smaller wrist, and it fits perfect. It is so pretty. The quality on it, all the pieces match up like so well, doing like the quality checks on how well it looks compared to the authentic. So pretty, like, are you kidding me? So this, with the additional bracelets that I have, are going to be so gorgeous. So first, quality of all the bags and boxes are really good, but it's what's inside that matters. So first of the stack, and then I will probably, I think my cover photo or cover picture of this will be of the stack itself, so you could get that vibe, because I'm not gonna be able to sit here and put all these on and show y'all, but we love her. The box on this one is amazing. It is the little nail Cartier bracelet, really cute, has the little clasp. I figured out how to do this the other day and now I've forgotten. Oh, you kind of pull and then it pops out and it has the little thing on the bottom, but really good quality. The gold is really good. It's kind of coming up a little bit yellower than it actually is. Really pretty. So 10 out of 10 on that one. And then next in the stack, another Cartier, great box, same thing. I did not take this one out of the package because I realized I ordered the wrong color. I accidentally ordered rose gold and not gold, but she is still so pretty. It is the Cartier Love with the diamonds in it. It has the 3 rows of diamonds right here. This is the rose gold one, which she's still pretty. I could wear her on another day, but I wish I would have gotten the gold one because it was gonna complete the set, but it's okay. She's still gonna be gorgeous. 10 out of 10 on that one. Next for the Cartier, I wanted to do 2, like in the picture I saw 2 stacked. So luckily I was smart enough, and that one does come with the little screwdriver to be able to take it on and off, like this one did. I just didn't put it in the box all cute and pretty like this one, but this is the smaller size, I believe. Let me compare. Yeah, this is the smaller size. I did get this one in gold. She's super pretty. I love her, but as you can see in the size differences, Let me see. And this one does not have the diamonds in the little emblems right here. So sizing difference, this is the large, this is small. Quality on both of these are amazing. Really, really, really pretty. And then lastly, I've never ordered any Van Cleef things. I've never gotten into that, but the color of this bracelet was so pretty that I was like, you know what, let's do it. Box is really nice, so cute. That was like the carry box, but then it's like box inside of boxes. Really pretty little velvet box, good quality. Came with her. She is so pretty. I have not tried this one on yet. It does look a little big, so I might have to try to configure and figure out how to make it smaller. But it has like the emerald green with the diamonds on here. Really, really pretty. Like the two together. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna be wearing this stack every single day. So, like I said, everything is linked in my bio. I know this video was a little bit longer. Thank you for sticking around if you're still here. And I hope you enjoy everything and stay tuned. I have more stuff coming. Love y'all.